Hello. Why is it suddenly very loud? Anyway, hello. I feel like looking kind of good, even if I'm really sweaty. Okay, well, I've been roller skating pretty consistently, and I'm getting pretty good. I want to show you guys because I've been doing well. Hey, look, there's my cat. Hey, bud. Now, just to be clear, I don't know how to stop, but I'm staying up. Oh boy. Hey, I kind of stopped. But yeah, I know I'm a little bit embarrassing myself now, but the road to getting better is not a line. It's one of those charts with a million little dots for different data points that where it's like, oh, no correlation. Yeah, I'm gonna get up now. Oh god. Okay. Whew. Okay. All right. I think my shoes are so dusty. Now I realize I said, oh guys, I've been doing so good, come look. And I really have offered no material, so I'm gonna do it for a little longer. But girl, my feet is hurting. That's the thing, like I have weak arches in my feet, so like I cannot be standing on my feet for that long. But hey, I said I was gonna give, so I'm gonna deliver. I swear to you, when I was listening to the music, I was like floating along like a disco goddess listening to Doja Cat. I swear. Carefree, easy. I mean, I was Heather on wheels. I'm honest. I'm being honest with you. That's what happens. As I said, it's not linear. Man, there's a bunch of wipeouts before you can even stand up straight. Anyway, I said I was finna deliver. All of a sudden, I swear. Goodness gracious. This is a dangerous sport, my dude. Okay. Goodness gracious. You know, it's really like, I know dream is a bit of a strong word, but like for my birthday, that my best friend and my boyfriend and I would go like on this like roller skating trail, and there'd be flowers and the weather would be perfect. But then we go to the beach and we'd go on a picnic, and I have these cute little like glass bottles. They look like milk bottles and they have a little lid on them, and we would drink out of the glass bottles, and we would have strawberries and mango. I want that for my birthday. That'd be so nice. Anyway, enough fantasizing about human interaction. What is this, a sci-fi film? Anyway, I'm gonna skate for a little bit longer because I'll deliver to the people. After that, I think I'm gonna take off my skates and let my cat hang out here. That makes it sound like, oh no. No, stop. Guys, I don't know how to. It's rolling. God, it won't stop. Come on. Okay. Hey, back in control. This is hard. When they're like, oh, when you're learning how to skate, you're gonna fall. I was like, yeah, okay, I'm not 12. Girl, I'm 21. And I've hit my head on this concrete too many times. Okay, it was once, but once is too many times, trust me. If If you hit your head on the concrete, you know once is too many times. Anyway. Wow, I didn't die. I didn't die. Hey, I'm cool. Wow, the way that I got away with that, criminal. Oh God, no, no. Oh. That was almost serious. Where am I gonna put you? All right, you're gonna get some beautiful floor because that's what we've got. If you would like some tips for beginners from a beginner, if you're learning how to skate, make sure you're in a large enough space. Like this is what, I don't know, maybe like 10 feet. Trust me, I recognize that I am in an extremely privileged position. I know I'm very lucky to be able to have this space as a resource that I can come outside and skate and get in some form of exercise that way. Like, that's not lost on me. The way that I have it set up, I have something on this, I have two different options on this side that I can run into. Like when I'm skating and I need to stop. As I said, I haven't learned to stop yet. And then I have the rocks on this side, so I run into the rocks and they stop me. And I can walk around in the rocks and stuff like that. Literally, please, I'm begging you, get like elbow pads, knee pads, a helmet, because I've definitely hurt myself and I definitely wish that I was in a position to get a helmet and, you know, protective gear. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I get really good and I'm not feeling as much at risk, if I go to like a little like disco hangout thing, you can bet I'm not gonna let no knee pads mess up the fit. Although maybe I could wear like flowy pants that have the like wide leg and wear the knee pads underneath. Honey. Anyway. But seriously, like, get protective gear if you are financially in a position to get that. As I said, these are gifted. I'm still very like, I don't know, I'm very in awe of that. That was a very kind gesture and it's really had a genuinely positive impact on my life. So like, I don't know. Thank you, Grace, if you're watching this. It means a lot. It's been like a bright spot in my quarantine. I try to come out here every other day. Like yesterday I came out here and I think I literally did it for like 15 minutes because I want to get good. Things lately have been pretty good. Hold on. Let me take off my skates. Anyway, I'm back. Oh my God. It's like right in front of the camera. Let's tuck you away. Yeah, but work in a long space where you have options to help you stop on either side. That way you can just focus on learning how to skate and you don't have to try to learn how to skate and stop skating at the same time. Your skates are going to get filthy. It's just going to happen. I have a friend that I want to paint my skates. If you see my other skating video, then you probably already know this, but I wanted her to paint my skates. She just went back to college out of town. I'm very proud of her. I don't even know what she's studying. I feel a lot of pride in people that, you know, are like, this is what I want to do and go and do it and stuff. So good for her. I hope she's doing amazing. I'm going to do a bit of a revamp. I'm going to wash them really well and then I'm going to have her paint them when she's back in town. Stretch. I normally will, my mom and I are doing like 30 days of yoga. And it's been about 45 days. We've missed a handful of days, but we're still doing it. And honestly, like, I'm a big fan of yoga now. It makes me feel significantly better. I think that's it. Have fun. In terms of physically how to get better at skating, practice. Yeah, I really have no notes because I still would not say that I'm definitely better than, you know, having no experience skating whatsoever. Please go away. Please go away. I'd say the only bit of advice that I do have is do your best to keep your weight as even as you can, but if you're teetering, make sure to go forward because it's much easier to stop yourself from getting hurt when you're falling if you fall forward. Oh God, no, no. Oh. Then if you fall straight back on your tailbone and hit your head on the concrete. That's very painful. It's gonna take a few days to not be painful. Come on, buddy. And you better not be bad. Okay, my cat is out. He is definitely going to be a lot of trouble. But I just felt bad for him, and I know I'm gonna regret it, but I just feel bad. I don't really know. I don't have any other tips. You know, I'm really just doing my best. Make sure that you bring a second pair of shoes when you're ready to be done skating. That way you can, like, you know, walk off. It's no problem. I definitely recommend doing it outside, but I don't know how realistic that is for a lot of people. And do it regularly. That's really the only way to get better. Well, I was doing it in my room for a while, and then I was like, you know, I think I'm ready to take it outside. And it was so hard, like really difficult, because skating on carpet is so much different than skating on concrete. Concrete has so much less traction. The skills are almost non-transferable. I don't know. I feel like lately I have been feeling very happy, because it's like I've been skating, I've been doing my yoga, I've been going to rehearsal. I'm doing okay in my classes. I feel good lately, and I feel like a lot of the anxiety and sadness and stuff that I was feeling at the beginning of quarantine, like, I mean, no, don't get me wrong, I definitely do still feel very anxious and very, very sad for long intervals, absolutely, but like days like today where it's like I'm gonna do my little roller skating, I'm gonna do my little yoga, and then I'm gonna go inside. Well, I'm gonna go inside to do yoga, but I also want to write tonight. I really want to write tonight. And then I'm not sitting here like not doing homework, because like my teacher doesn't have any of our homework open, so like all my homework was due on Tuesday, and the next assignment opens up on Thursday, so I have nothing to do, which is a godsend. My cat has been super sweet. He's been like coming and just hanging out with me, and that's been like really nice, especially like I was feeling so much anxiety the other day. I just got my costume and it looks amazing. And actually, no, I should go in and edit that YouTube video. I have this YouTube video of me like, I'm not really dancing in the video, but I haven't put it up yet. Hopefully you're seeing that video before this one, because I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't, but I've got like videos in the queue. I've just been, it's like, because I don't have to do YouTube, and I have to do school, and I have to do rehearsal, and I have to do yoga with my mom. I want to. Like, you know, it is a commitment that we made to each other, but I do get a lot of joy from it. But editing just gets pushed to the side, you know what I mean? And I've been playing Among Us way too much lately, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, I'm just in a good mood, so I'm like kind of talkative. It feels good. For a long time, it was just like I was completely despondent, detached from everything. I think that starting this show and making it a point to exercise with the roller skating and stretch regularly has really had a positive impact on my mood. I'm in a good mood, feeling good, feeling happy. My cat, he's being a cat. He's a nightmare to take out. My elder cat, she literally, hey buddy, she literally will just sit. But yeah, I have all kinds of little parties I want to do. I desperately want to have a s'mores party in my backyard, because we have a fire pit. So just get together like 8 friends. We all sit around the fire pit, have some s'mores. I look forward to that. Things are going well. Right now, today, in this moment, things are going well. And I'm very, very grateful for that. Anyway, sun is going down. I let my lady cat out here, my elder cat. She doesn't like when the boy's out here. For now, I think I'm just gonna sit and, I don't know, just enjoy the weather. It's really nice out today, so. I don't know, I guess this is an outro. Is this the video I'm posting? I don't know. I don't know. Whenever you see this, I hope you're having a great day. I hope that you find a hobby that you haven't done in a while and it makes you feel good. I've made internet friends recently. I mean, not super recently, but I have a few internet friends on Twitter that I talk to, and they make me smile. That's it. That's everything. I'm
I'm gonna go. Whether or not this is the end of the video, I have no idea. I don't know. I just wanted to film myself skating because I'm feeling good. So I hope that I get better. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's really it now. Okay, goodbye. Our lemons this season are really tiny. Look at how little that is. Normally we have lemons and they're like the size of your palm. Some even a little bit larger than that. We usually have gigantic lemons. Anyway, I need to stop this cat because he finna...
I ain't never seen two pretty best friends. Always one of them gotta be ugly.